Welcome to the homework solutions tutorial. This is covering 2F to 2G. This is on question 10. The equation for the motion of a parabola fires straight up at an initial velocity of 64 feet per second. It is governed by that quadratic equation. H is equal to negative 6t squared plus 6t, where h is in the height in feet and t is the time in seconds. This is very straightforward if you graph it, so let's just put it on a graph. Type in decimals, exactly what you see. H is equal to negative 6t squared plus 64t. Notice now you have a very beautiful image to work with, all right, for the most part. So it says when does the parabola reach its highest point? So look at the vertex. The vertex here is 2, 64. So you want to look at the vertex first of all. Okay, the vertex here is 2, 64. All right, are we okay? Yes, we are. It's 2, 64. But you have to be very careful with what the units say. Okay, so this was H and this was T. H was in feet. Okay, so this unit here is feet. The output was in, T was your input. Do you see? T is the time in seconds. T was your input. So time is your input, which was on your x-axis. And then you have your output, which is your height, which is your output that is in your y-axis. So when does the parabola reach its highest point? That's looking for what value here? It's when. That is looking for time. So we would say time is at 2 seconds. How high does it go? When they look for how high it goes, it's looking for the height output. So we would say it is at 64 feet. When does the projectile hit the ground? Well, so it goes up all the way up there, hits that height, then it comes down and hits the floor back here at 4. Okay, and it starts here at 0, 0. So it starts here from 0, 0, goes all the way up to 2, 64, right, like this. And then it goes down due to the force of gravity at I think 4, 0. Yeah, 4, 0. Right? That's why you need your x-intercepts and your vertex. Now remember this. What does this mean? Time equals to 0 seconds. The height is at 0 feet. At 2 seconds, it is at 64 feet. Then it comes back down at 4 seconds. It goes back down to 0 feet. So when it says, when does the projectile hit the floor? That is also 4 seconds. So hint, hint, this is your x-intercept, right? Okay, or it is the x value of the x-intercept. Okay, there you go. 10 is a classic physics problem. If you're interested in physics, you like this question, you should consider taking physics. But that's it. That is 2F to 2G.